Hi guys! So I debated on whether or not to show this painting, but I decided it was worth seeing the end result, which is I wanted to differentiate between the high flow acrylic gold and the fluid acrylic gold, because I think people get those mixed up off and on. So in this painting at the very end, in a bottle mixed with Floetrol, is the fluid acrylic, golden fluid acrylic gold. That's mixed with the Floetrol and my Winsor & Newton gloss medium, and that's kind of like my normal medium that I use. And then the high flow acrylic, which is kind of like water almost. That's the consistency of water that I use to make all my dendrite paintings. I put that over the top. So it's double gold. And I'm telling you, it shines so beautifully, just like this painting that you'll see right here. This Zeus painting with the lightning bolt going through it, I do have a video to that. And that seriously is an amazingly gorgeous painting. It's stunning in person. And I'm lucky enough to have that hanging on my wall right now, although I would let it go for the right price, but it's truly remarkable in person. And that's how I created that effect. So I wanted to share that with you. And as always, sit back, relax, enjoy. Thank you so much for supporting Heather Mader Arts and letting me keep making these art videos for you. forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can make more art videos for you.